Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about abstract classes in C#. So before knowing abstract classes, let us know what is an abstraction. Show only the necessary information and hide the internal implementation. For example, consider this washing machine, which is having some knobs. When we operate these knobs, some functions will be done, but we do not know how those functions are implemented. Abstraction can be achieved by making use of abstract classes and access modifiers. To understand these abstract classes, let's consider these two examples. I have class book and class laptop. If you look at these two classes, there are some similarities like name and price as well as add to cart method. Rather than writing these two separately, I can group them together into a single class and call it as product. So here I have created a product class. This product class is going to have skeleton, that is not exact the implementation, but it is going to have common data members and methods which we'll be implementing inside inherited classes. So I'll make this class as an abstract class. So how do you make this class as an abstract? Make use of abstract keyword here. Now our class becomes abstract class. We'll define the data members here, string name, so double price. This abstract class can have both concrete method as well as abstract method. So what is that concrete method? I'll define one method here, that is public void get details. This method gets the details of the product. So if I define a method like this, I am not getting an error. Now, this type of methods are called concrete method, where you are going to define the body for the method. Suppose I don't want to define body for this method. So here you can observe red line. It is telling you must declare a body because it is not marked as abstract. So I want to define the body of this method in the inherited class. So what I need to do? I need to add an abstract keyword here. So you can observe we have added an abstract keyword and I need to end this with semicolon. Now the error has gone. I'll take one more method, public. I'll make that also as an abstract. Name it as add to cart. I hope most of you have seen add to cart button in e-commerce website. So we'll make use of same thing here. We'll make use of constructor here, public product string name comma double price. This dot name is equal to name and this dot price is equal to price. As you can see, I have defined these two data members or fields as private. I need to make use of property here. For price also we'll do the same thing. So we have defined properties to access these fields, and in this abstract cart I am going to pass a parameter quantity of type integer. So we have created an abstract class with abstract method. Note here we did not mention any body for these two methods. Now I have created one more class called book, which is going to inherit from product class. Here you can see we are getting an error. That error is telling book does not implement inherited abstract member product.getDetails and product.addToCart. That means whatever the methods you declare in abstract classes, that is if you declare method as an abstract, it is compulsory that you need to implement those methods in the inherited classes or derived classes. Otherwise you will get an error. Now let's implement those methods inside this inherited class. I will take one more field in this, that is string author, as we'll make use of constructor here and pass parameters as string name comma double price and string author. So here name and price I am going to inherit from base class. So make use of base keyword and just give name comma price. So here this dot author equals author. Now we'll access this author by making use of properties. Now we'll call getDetails method. In order to implement abstract method in the derived class, you need to make use of override keyword here. So I'll print book details to console /n name this dot name slash n price author this dot author slash n price this dot price. Now we'll implement the other method as well, that is add to cart public override void add to cart int quantity. So here what I'll do is take one more variable int discount. Now we'll calculate cart total. So double price into quantity minus discount. So here I'll initialize discount value to, let's say, 40 rupees. We'll print this total price to console. So we have implemented both the methods which we have declared as abstract in the base class. So here it is showing an error. Let's check what is that error. No suitable method found to override. Let's go to product. So here I have defined D as capital letter. So let's change this to capital letter. So now the error has gone. Let's go to main method here. Inside this main method, we'll create an object for the derived class. So our derived class is book and reference variable I'll take as book is equal to new. So we'll pass parameters. First we have to pass name. So I'll pass name as programming in C# and next we'll pass price. So let's say it is around 800 rupees and we'll pass author Balaguru Swami. Now with this reference we will call those functions. So we'll call book.getDetail function here, and next once the book details are printed you will see two buttons, that is add to cart or buy. So we'll implement add to cart. Here we need quantity. We'll take that quantity from the user. We'll ask user to enter the quantity. So we'll write console.writeLine enter the quantity. We'll call the add to cart function. So here we'll make use of read line in order to read the input from user. So we are getting an error. What is that error? Cannot convert from string to integer. That means whatever the value we will enter, it will be in the form of string. So I need to convert it into integer. So what I have to do? I have to make use of type conversion here, made use of int.parse, which converts string type to integer type. Now let's run this program. So you can observe here book details got printed, that is name, author along with price. Now it's asking us to enter the quantity. Let's say I want to order 2 books here. You can see the total cart value is 1560. That means if I order 2 books of rupees 800, it becomes 1600 and minus 40, that means 1560. I am getting the correct answer here. I am getting the exact answer here. So why we use abstract classes exactly? The one use which I have shown you, the abstract method, wherein you can only declare the outline of that function and implementation can be done in the derived class. So if I do not provide abstract keyword here, you can create an instance of the class. But when we provide an abstract keyword to the class name, we cannot create instance of the classes. So one important thing to note, usage of abstract classes, you cannot create an object, and abstract methods compulsory, they needs to be implemented in the derived classes or else you will get an error. If I try to create an object for product class, I'll get an error. So product is equal to new product. So here you can see you're getting error. It is telling cannot create an instance of the abstract type or interface product. I hope all of you are clear with abstraction concept and abstract classes. Thanks for watching.